Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ completely from ChatGPT. Right now I've been learning about multi-threading, and it's been really complicated, and I haven't really got into multi-threading in any other programming language. I know I gave ChatGPT the assignment to fully design a curriculum, but I think it might be time to intervene and suggest to go into just something else. But first I want to ask for its opinion. So this is what I'm telling it. Hey, this seems pretty complex. Do you think maybe I should learn other C++ skills before I get into multi-threading? Your call. The reason I'm going to phrase it like this is to still give it an option to stick with it, because if I phrase it in a way that's like, hey, maybe I should learn other C++ skills, it'll probably just like follow that prompt already and just give me other stuff. But I do want its input because that's kind of part of the series. So yeah, this really wasn't what I was expecting. It just showed me some concepts I should master before multi-threading. So maybe it forgot I was supposed to design a curriculum. So instead, I'm just going to tell it, do you think in the curriculum it makes sense for me to be learning multi-threading now or later on? Still giving an option to go either way. So now it's revising the curriculum into some file input output before we get into that, I think. But why does it say next step object-oriented programming? Why are you teaching me object-oriented programming? You've already taught me that. Now it's going to standard library. You've also gone into that. Make sure to not repeat any lessons. That's interesting. It had this memory updated thing. And that's something interesting about 4. I always tries to memorize stuff from other chats, even though I thought the whole point was that it memorized stuff in the whole conversation in the first place and doesn't really matter about other chats, but whatever. These are things that I've already learned. Okay, now it's updating its memory again, which is pretty weird because I literally already told it. And now it's showing me lambda functions again. Okay, you've been my teacher for quite a while. List out all of the lessons you've given me and I've completed in order. Let's see what it does. And now it's updating its memory again. And I just don't understand it. Right now, it somehow revised the curriculum, and somehow all the order is completely screwed up. So it's teaching me things it's already taught me. And there was an error generating response. I guess it had to regenerate. Okay, we've definitely not done file input output, so I'm gonna ask about that. Hey, I haven't done file input and output yet. But anyways, I guess this is how you read from a file. You need your fstream and string libraries. So this is probably going to be pretty easy. I guess I can test something like that for now. Okay, I think I'm ready to get started. First, let's create a random text file. Or actually, we can create one right away. I'm gonna actually do this in reverse order. Maybe I can... Wait, can I create files by just doing this? Let me just try that. And yeah. So this is how to write to it. So you can already write to a file. I think all I have to do is point some arrows to it and uline. Okay, so yeah, now we just got an uline. So from there, I'm gonna just read the exact same file. So it should be pretty similar syntax. Just ifstream, I think. And now I have to somehow go through the whole entire maybe array of lines. Let's see the original method. And then from there we can just log out the line, I believe. Okay, I'm just gonna maybe try quick run this code. I'm not sure why I'm not getting the lines. I'm just gonna finish the last part of the assignment and then ask for it to review my code later. And because I don't feel like just writing down each of these if statements, we're just gonna review this code and check for mistakes. It's telling me that I'm checking the wrong variable, but I don't think that's actually right. Okay, maybe, I don't know. I don't really feel like going into it right now for some reason. Oh, also, I probably should have returned 1 instead of returning 0, because returning 0 is only things work out correctly. Oh well. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe. Like always, bye-bye.